Sam.
Hi John.
What are you doing?
Playing a game on my phone. I am winning.
Oh, cool. I'm bored, so stop playing that game and make me unbored.
I will in a minute.
No, now.
Please.
Now.
Okay, I'll stop.
Good. Now, hit yourself. No, not with your hand. With this bottle.
Ah, that hurt.
Oh, duh.